Now, having come to the grand conclusion, it's now my turn to give my thanks. Yeah, like I started in my first day, I must first of all record my initial thanks to Nalanda Institute for giving me the chance to share my research findings with more people rather than just a small group of financiers in SBS. Yeah, because of the initiative taken by Nalanda Institute, I've been able to share my research findings with so many people, especially through this Satipatthana workshop. I think I also like to record my thanks to Sister Sandy, who was here just now, the head of the Department of Pali and Buddhist Studies in Nalanda Institute, for helping to produce this handsome booklet that you have on the course book and sponsoring it, and getting the Nalanda Institute to sponsor all these books for all the participants, although the courses were not held in Nalanda. Yeah, but I have done my part. I promoted Nalanda in every workshop. Okay, I must also record my thanks to the volunteers and the organizers and the staff of SBS for dedicated effort in making sure that everything runs smoothly. Particularly to our superwoman, Sister Ui, who seems to be doing everything under the sun. And of course, I must thank all of you for your participation and your very candid sharing of your experiences and your questions, which have deepened my investigation into the Dhamma. It's precisely because I've gone through so many workshops that my slides keep on increasing because of the questions that I get. I found that there are many things that are missing in my workshop, and I keep on supplementing them. So this is the grand finale, and I hope that when this this workshop has been properly videoed and edited, I can move on to something else. And I hope that all of us, through this workshop, through this participation, through research and mutual sharing, would have benefited tremendously and can increase the effectiveness of our spiritual progress. Okay.